Welcome to today's discussion on the exciting applications of artificial intelligence, AI, across various domains. AI has emerged as a powerful tool with the ability to transform industries and revolutionize the way we live and work. In this article, we will explore some key domains where AI is making a significant impact. Let's dive in. Healthcare. Host. AI is transforming healthcare by enabling accurate diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, and efficient healthcare management. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, to detect abnormalities and assist radiologists in diagnosing diseases. Natural language processing, NLP, techniques allow AI systems to extract insights from medical records and research papers, aiding in research and decision-making. Virtual assistants and chatbots powered by AI can provide personalized healthcare advice, reducing the burden on healthcare professionals and improving patient outcomes. In the finance sector, AI is automating and improving various processes. AI-powered algorithms analyze financial data, predict market trends, and make investment recommendations. Fraud detection systems utilize AI to identify suspicious transactions in real time, enhancing security. Chatbots and virtual assistants help customers with basic financial queries, improving customer service and reducing response times. AI algorithms can also assess creditworthiness, enabling faster and more accurate loan approvals. AI has revolutionized the retail and e-commerce industry, providing personalized shopping experiences and streamlining operations. Recommendation systems powered by AI algorithms analyze customer data to suggest relevant products, increasing sales and customer satisfaction. AI-enabled chatbots assist customers in finding products, answering queries, and handling customer service requests. Computer vision technology allows for cashier-less stores and automated inventory management. AI-powered demand forecasting helps retailers optimize inventory and reduce wastage. AI is reshaping transportation by improving safety, efficiency, and sustainability. Autonomous vehicles, powered by AI algorithms and sensor technologies, are being developed to navigate roads without human intervention, potentially reducing accidents and enhancing mobility. AI-based route optimization algorithms can analyze traffic data in real time, suggesting the most efficient routes and reducing congestion. AI is also used in logistics for intelligent fleet management, optimizing delivery schedules, and reducing costs. Manufacturing. Host. AI has found extensive applications in manufacturing, enabling automation, quality control, and predictive maintenance. Robots equipped with AI algorithms can perform repetitive and complex tasks with precision, increasing productivity and reducing errors. AI-powered computer vision systems detect defects in real time during the production process, ensuring high product quality. Predictive maintenance systems utilize AI to analyze sensor data and predict equipment failures, reducing downtime and optimizing maintenance schedules. AI is transforming education by providing personalized learning experiences and facilitating administrative tasks. Adaptive learning platforms use AI algorithms to analyze students' progress and tailor educational content to their individual needs. Intelligent tutoring systems provide personalized guidance and feedback to students, enhancing their learning outcomes. AI-powered grading systems automate the evaluation of assignments and exams, saving teachers time and providing consistent and timely feedback. Energy and environment. Host. AI is playing a crucial role in the energy sector, enabling efficient energy management and sustainability. Smart grids, powered by AI algorithms, optimize energy distribution and consumption, reducing costs and minimizing environmental impact. AI is used in renewable energy systems to improve efficiency and predict energy generation patterns. Environmental monitoring systems utilize AI to analyze satellite imagery and sensor data, aiding in the detection of deforestation, pollution, and climate change patterns. The applications of artificial intelligence across various domains are vast and ever-expanding. From healthcare and finance to retail, transportation, manufacturing, education, and energy, AI is transforming industries and revolutionizing the way we live and work.